Well, hello, Spyder Wayne here, and it is Thursday, September 28th, and I am about to fly a drone for my very first time ever. So 3 days ago, on Monday, September 25th, DJI released their Mini 4 Pro drone. I was so excited because this has 360-degree obstacle avoidance. So being that I have never flown a drone before, I need obstacle avoidance. So my goal today is strictly not to crash my new drone.
Home point updated.
Home point is updated. Good, so that if I have to return to home, it should come back right here. There we go.
Landing.
Done. First flight successful. So I'll probably spend a few more minutes here playing around with this, but it's fun. If you stuck around, thank you so much. And until next time, please take care.